So, I'm just gonna video myself eating. Wala lang, mukbang lang. This is Burger King. And 4 cheese Whopper. And I got 10 pieces nuggets, large fries, and a Diet Coke. Coke Zero, or whatever. The thing is, I love to exercise nga. But when I want something and I feel like I deserve it, I'm gonna eat it. Because either way, my metabolism is very, very, like, fast. So yeah, let's eat. Tomorrow's my DJ gig. I'm really scared. I've performed in front of a crowd, like in terms of DJing. But the thing is, it's so hard to please everyone. And that's also a realization. You can't please everyone with your genre. Cause the thing is, for tomorrow, I've prepared songs that are Bale funk or baile funk, Brazilian funk. I also prepared Miami bass, which is part of what they want. But the start of my set, I started with Bale funk. But turns out, I read the guidelines earlier. They were like, you can't play Bale funk. I was like, what? I already prepared like 10 or I don't know, like 20 songs with Bale funk. But they didn't say anything. My friend Lyndon, he's one of the organizers, he said, you can play it. So I was like, okay, I'll play it. I only live once. Either way, I'm with my friends. I invited UP people, LaSalle people. I invited my friend from Ateneo. Her name's Ashley. And I'll have lunch with her tomorrow as well. It's gonna be fun. But right now, I'm feasting. And it's so buzzing. Earlier I had a bad day, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was in the mood. I wasn't really in the mood. Like, we're applying for a visa. And I was fixing my room. Kasi, it's very, very messy, oh. If nakikita niyo. Super messy. Kanina, pero ngayon okay na siya. Then, diba sobrang dumi ng ref ko. And when I opened my ref, bro, you don't know what was inside. Because in the first day, when I bought this condo, when my mother bought this condo, she, what do you call this? She placed yung sibuyas tsaka yung bawang sa loob ng ref. Sabi ko, ba't ilalagay dyan yung sibuyas at bawang? Pero sabi daw niya, temporarily, lagay mo lang daw doon kasi wala akong lalagyan. Kasi pangit mga lalagyan ako. It has been like 6 months. And nagka-Christmas break. New Year break. I opened my ref earlier, but it was a freaking like buhay na siya, bro. I posted a TikTok and it went famous. I was like, look. Bro, it was so disgusting earlier. Legit, bruh. But anyway, that's good. I got 124k views. And I got 7.5k likes. I rarely get that many likes. And people keep on reposting until now. That's really fun. At least I got clout. Haha, lol. So yeah, back in earlier, I got sidetracked. We were applying for my Korean visa, and sobrang, bro, I was getting rage baited by my sisters, bruh. Actually, on God. Tapos nung pauwi na kami, I was like, alam ko na yung gagawin ko kasi piprint ko na lang yung visa and like double check things. But my mom kept on being like, So like, dapat i-check mo yung ganyan ha, dapat i-check mo. Rage bait. Rage bait. I'm like rage bait. Gets ko though, but my mom was like serious earlier. It's fine, all good. We're good. Ito puro English. Englishero ba ako? Hindi naman ako Englishero. Aray, kain na. Okay. Ang sarap ng burger na to. Because, the reason why I speak English so everyone can understand. Not just my fellow kababayans there. Yes, sir. I'm so busog, bro. Busog means full. Super full. I didn't know it was this heavy. It's still 10:20 in the morning. I have to wake up. What time should I wake up tomorrow? Because I have a lunch date. And it's 11. You gonna wake up at 9? Siguro? 9 sounds good. I'm gonna prepare and go tricycle or jeep or just walk it. I don't know. Yeah. Also, I realized we only live once, so you better make it count. We don't know what's gonna happen after we die. I mean, for me, I think I'm gonna go to an afterlife. Like, there's an afterlife, like a place, hopefully heaven. But in terms of technicalities, we don't know where to go. And I'm just like an ant living on a plane. But yeah, you only live once. You better make it count. When things go tough, it's part of life. And answering the question, what's your true purpose in life? Everyone says, oh, my purpose in life is to be this. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a lawyer. But for me, my purpose in life is to live it. Living it fully. Living life. Because life is living. It's within those words. Yeah. Wala lang. Thoughts lang. So random. And siguro I want to talk about my my goals as well. Again, I always manifest my goals. And I'm so happy tomorrow I'm going to be able to DJ in front of a crowd. It's so fun DJing. But it's just annoying to the point that when you prepare for it, you have to download so many songs and you can't cram it. But right now I'm cramming it. That's why I hate it. But if you genuinely enjoy music and you enjoy finding out what's the best genre for you, for me it's Brazilian funk. Like people hate that. I mean, at least like college students who usually party, they always like yung mga usual na parang yellow diamonds in the night, or like teach me how to talk, teach me how. Nah, bro. Tomorrow I'm playing house, Brazilian funk, Miami bass. I'm playing UK garage. I'm inspired by Riria, DJ Riria, my idol. Because of her I started DJing. Search it up. DJ Riria, Boiler Room Tokyo. Yes, Tokyo, Japan. It's so nice. From her start, what's her first song? Nankole. Hotaji. And it was like then He went Damso's song, TXville. I don't know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know lang eh. If you know, you know. Anyway, I finished a burger. It's 10 minutes. I'm gonna make this recording until 15 minutes only. Because I still have quite a lot of food. Talking about food. I can't move on from earlier. Yung pinakita ko, that shit was disgusting, bruh. This one. Ugh. Di ko naman tawag dun if trypophobia eh. Pero sobrang kadiri talaga, legit. As in, di ako nagiging maarte. It looks like some Demogorgon. I know it's food, okay? But if nakita mo talaga, mukha na talaga siyang, para siyang, buhay. Buhay talaga, legit. Parang gumagalaw, ganun. It was so disgusting taking it out of the ref, bruh. Legit. I'll be so traumatized. I hope things go well for me in the future and my friends and my family. You know, I like seeing people being really passionate in what they really want. It makes me happy. Like, I'm so proud of the people, like especially to the like my friends, ganun. I like seeing them achieve a lot. I don't know, just me, but like when I see someone like my friend, si Oren. Oren's very passionate in like being creative. I don't know. Oren, if nakikita mo to, sobrang passionate mo sa sa design, sa I don't know. You're one of the smartest people I've ever known in UP. And it doesn't seem like you try hard enough. Na parang, hindi ako nag-review. But, magre-review ka ng late, ganon. And you do review late and you tell me. But like, I don't know. Hindi ko lang paano mo nagigets agad yung lesson. I have to read it. For me, I have to read it like twice or thrice. And you only read it once, nagigets mo agad. I don't know how you do that, bruh. And there's a lot of people as well in UP who does that. Namely, si Jo. Masaya ata si Jo. Pero sobrang talino no. Jo, pag nakikita mo to, sobrang talino mo talaga, legit. Si Mikay rin. Sabi niya, valedictorian siya. Galing mo, Mikay, legit. Konti na lang nuggets ko. Ang dami mo tatalino. Pati si Ethel, ang talino rin sa CAS, bro. Mangha-mangha ako sa inyo. Galing nyo. I wanna have that power, bro. I just farted. Sorry, guys. This is just me being authentic and real. I only have 1 minute left. Almost 1 minute. But this is my message before I end my video. You only live once. That's it. Given one chance, don't waste it. Never waste it. You don't know if you're gonna wake up tomorrow in the morning. Most probably you will, but you never know. That's the thing. You never know. God can just take it away from you. So you have to be grateful. You have to show that you deserve life. Life's worth living. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you guys had fun watching.